Hello everybody, this video is meant for teaching I sound. I, I. Okay, the pronunciation is I, and the spellings that make I sound are sometimes M-I. Okay, I, mine, by. Sometimes it is Y sound that makes I, by. Then hi, by. UY made that I sound. Die. IE made that I sound. Okay. The last E is letter seems to be silent there, and it has made the sound I, die. Either. There is another pronunciation also possible for either. Some people. Sometimes it can be even said as either. Okay, either. That's the British pronunciation. Either. So we have learned the sound I, and the phonetic notation is inside two slashes A and I, like simple. So I, mine, by, hi, by, die, either. Alright, so we have learned the second diphthong I. Before that we learned A. Okay, thank you.